right, it's 2021. Blursh is back. I am back. I, Todd Anderson, Master Influencer, have returned to influence the people. Time to get my influence going. I can feel the influence coursing through my veins. It's about to come out of me. The influence is about to come out to influence the people because the people need influencing. Hi, I'm Todd Robert Anderson, influencer. I'm a master influencer, part of Blursh influencer empire. As you know, a big thing that influencers do is called unboxing. Today, as a master influencer, I am going to do just that. I'm going to unbox this box. I found this box in my closet. I don't know what's in it, but it says KM Legend Men's Fashion. Ooh. Inside is a bag. So I've unboxed a bag, but there's something inside the bag. So I'm going to unbag. So this is an unbox and an unbag situation. Aren't you lucky? Oh. It is a white belt, which would go very well with a suit with pink flamingos on it or something, If you have a belt like this, you need to have white shoes as well. Anyway, that's it. I mean, I unboxed it. I did it. You've been influenced. Aren't you lucky? Welcome to a new year of Blursh. This has been a Blursh production. Blursh!